Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing supple palm leaves and the right tools so the work flows. Pick fresh fronds and trim the central rib to about 1/2 width to allow folding. This reduces bulk and prevents tearing. Once trimmed, soak leaves 10-15 minutes to make fibers pliable. You want bend without cracking. While soaking, prepare scissors and a clean cloth and small weights. Make sure your workspace is flat and clean so you can move straight into weaving without interruption. You now form the structure by cutting strips and arranging a stable base. Lay 3/4 strips with about 1 cm overlap, then begin a checker or twill weave. Alternating over and under creates strength. Keep consistent tension. If you pull too tight, edges cup, too loose they gap, so check visually as you progress. Once the body is shaped, fold and tuck excess into the weave and secure with small stitches or a tiny glue spot. If you want color, apply dye now and let it dry flat before finishing. You finish by refining edges and protecting the piece so it lasts. Trim stray fibers cleanly, then burnish the surface with a cloth to compact the weave. This both looks better and reduces fraying. Apply a thin coat of natural oil or clear varnish to seal. Allow 12-24 hours drying flat. If you encounter cracking or stiff seams, re-soak the affected area briefly, relax the weave tension, and reweave the problem section. Once repaired, dry under weight to set the shape and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.